What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang 775 back, hopefully with a quick video. Today I just want to do a quick first impressions, sound audio first impressions of the IdeaPlay V207. Now this video was supposed to go up yesterday, but I hit a little snag yesterday. But today, guaranteed I'm gonna get this out. It's Wednesday, and don't mind the ice cream truck. That thing is pretty loud, and I am using my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus to record this footage, so the microphones on this thing is actually pretty decent. Alright, everything here is, there's no external mic or whatsoever. It's all Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But yeah, I got my IdeaPlay V207A already paired to my LG V30 here. Let's go ahead and get some sound samples, because when I tried to get some sound samples on the last video, there was no battery whatsoever. So, but today it's got a full charge. Let's go ahead. Okay, let's look for an NCS song. NCS are like awesome. Okay, let's go places like that. Very simple. Let's go ahead and oh, this headset is not bad at all. It's clean, balanced. Man, what the heck? What the heck? Let me play a couple more songs. I mean, there's a whole bunch of songs that I want to play. Let's see. That I don't want to get, what do you call that, copyright struck. So let me see. All right, that's one song. Let me go ahead and play another song real quick. Let me see. Where's my Spotify? I just had it on Spotify. I had to reset the camera real quick. Let's go with Convex again. Convex For You. This was one of the songs I used in the last video for this. Let's go ahead, click it. Man, do these sound phenomenal. Let me go over my quick first impressions. The highs, they're crystal clear. The mids, they're nice, they're good. Now you can go into your equalizer settings and try to squeeze out a little more mids if that's what you're liking. The vocals are good, they sound great. And the bass, it's a clean bass. It's a clean bass. I guess you can say it's a little bit tight as well, which is a good thing. Now, I wish there was slightly more bass, and when it comes to volume, I wish the volume was just slightly louder. Now, it's really close. Like, in comparison to the Alphatronics HX101, the IdeaPlay V207 is almost there when it comes to volume. I say it's like 90% of the way there. This is probably louder by 10%, which is quite loud. Okay, this Alphatronics HX101 is quite loud. So, not selling this headset any short, okay? This is a decent headset when it comes to volume. Now, when you combine this great, clean, balanced, it's a balanced sound with all the other features, this awesome build quality, except for this is kind of stiff right here. When you bend these, when you try and fold it, I don't like that snap. That might break one day, who knows, but this headband right here underneath, this headband right here is phenomenal. Look at the stitching there. It covers from here all the way to there. So you combine that with a great sound, now you got a decent headset. Now I did not mention the price of this headset because I bought it on sale. I did not know I bought it on sale. I actually got this headset for $50, but I'm looking at the retail price right now. It's like $69, $79 right now. So hold up, if you folks want to take a look at this headset, you want to purchase it, If it's at $79, stop what you're doing. Okay, pause. All right, take a step back and wait till Cyber Monday, Black Friday, because at $79, I don't think it's worth that price. I can tell you right off the bat. Now, if it were $59 or $49, hey, by all means, jump in, enjoy. This is a great headset. This first impressions, the review is still coming. The review will be, I'm gonna review it. It's gonna be a dual review with the Alphatronics HX101. Actually, you know what? I lied. I think this is gonna be one of my first times I ever do a triple review. But this is, I may have done a triple review before, but I can't remember. You know, my memory is not all there anymore. But I'll be doing a triple review with the Aladdin Audio EQ200. So it's gonna be a three-way battle here. Plus, I'm gonna bring in the Edifier W830 BTs, my Bluetooth U2s, whatever headsets that I have on hand. I'm gonna compare them to these three. Between that, you know, $50 to $100 range, I'm gonna compare them. But I'm gonna talk about these three in depth, mainly the sound quality, next week. So yeah, what did you folks think about the IdeaPlay V207? It's a phenomenal headset, great sound, but it's not worth $79. I'm gonna put that out there. All right. But yeah, it's Guddang 775. I hope you folks like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. Didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang 775, aka Solly, just a mile boy in Texas. Peace out.